I jumped the gun when I said we'd be pouring concrete in our next video. Turns out we have a few more things to do first. For one thing, we need to make sure we have at least a 1% drop in elevation from the main drain line to the septic system. We'd planned on installing a 300-gallon plastic septic tank right next to the garage, and that will be connected to the existing septic system's distribution box. But DHEC says the tank needs to be at least 1,000 gallons. More on that in a future video. To check our drop in elevation, we're just going to use this inexpensive site surface level. When the bubble is on the center line, whatever you're looking at is level with your eye. One person holds a tape measure extending upward from the first position being measured, while the other person takes a level gaze at the tape measure, telling the person where to move their hand. Here's a bad sketch to make things clearer. The same procedure is applied to the second position being measured. And then the difference is found between the two measurements. Our eye level measurement at the distribution box was 82 inches. The measurement to the drain line at the garage was 65 inches. 82 minus 65 gives us a 17-inch drop in elevation. The distribution box is 70 feet from the garage. We'll convert the 70 feet to inches. Then using the what percent formula, we divide our 17-inch drop by the 840-inch distance and multiply that by 100, which gives us a 2% fall. Plenty to work with. Now we'll go back inside to finish the plumbing. Before we glue anything else up, we'll want to make sure the main drain line has the correct pitch. It needs to be between 1/8 and 1/4 inch drop per foot. We start by marking out a distance of 8 feet. Then we'll set a straight block of wood, or level, across the trench at each of our marks. We're actually looking to get as close to an 1/8 inch drop per foot as possible. That's the minimum allowed. So as long as we find 1 inch drop in the 8-foot span, we're good. I noticed when about to install this P-trap, here where the shower will be, the pipe had shifted. I double-checked the toilet plumbing by a straight edge across my marks and found the entire pipe had indeed shifted. But let's think of this as an opportunity to show you another, maybe better way to position and pitch the pipe. Leveling and pitching the pea gravel first assures that there will be no voids beneath the pipe. If I had a long straight 2x4, I would have used it to make sure the gravel was evenly pitched, with no high or low spots. Then we just set the pipe back on top and realign it with the marks we made on the concrete. Now we have to extend everything so that it comes up through the concrete and through the bottom wall plate. This 2x4 is the thickness of the wall plate, and we can use it to measure how tall the pipe needs to be. We want the pipe to be at least 4 inches taller than the wall plate to leave plenty of room for fittings. The P-trap we cut out of the shower drain will work perfectly for the laundry drain. No waste.
Yeah, that's right. 2 inches off that. And that'll do it. Tight. Let's put it.
filled in.
Yep.
Oh, we're in the wrong spot.
Pretty good to me.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Once everything is glued up, these plugs have to be installed for leak testing. The inspector requires the pipes to be filled with water all the way up to the top of a 5-foot section of vent pipe. We need to add this 5-foot section. Now we just fill the system, check for leaks, and fix anything that's leaking.
There we go. Turning it out somewhere. Nope, didn't come all the way up yet. Let's do this. It's probably this one. Oh, it's going down. I think we'll let all the air out. Yeah, hear it? Oh, yeah.
It's actually leaking around the wing nut. I think it's okay now. It's slowly leaking somewhere.
Yeah, it is somewhere.
Staying dry.
Okay.
That'll be it.
Oh, yeah, it's not moving at all, is it?
We passed the first plumbing inspection, and we'll be working on the supply plumbing and septic system next. We thank you all for watching and hope you'll return for the next one. Have a good one.